Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to disable some startup apps on Windows. So sometimes when you install Windows or install certain applications on Windows, it comes preloaded when the Windows starts, like this Microsoft Teams. How do you see that is when you check your taskbar, you can see that actually Microsoft Teams is running when start up. So how to disable this? You right click and go to Task Manager. So alternatively, you can reach Task Manager other ways like Control Shift Escape and Control Alt Delete. So Task Manager here, you can check Startup Apps. This is actually for Windows 10 and 11. So I will talk about other version of Windows later. So here we have Microsoft Teams, which is the status is enabled, and then we can just right click and press disable. That's it. But if you cannot see these startup apps on Task Manager, means you are using the previous versions of Windows, there you can actually reach this menu through Run and type MSConfig. Press enter. You can go to the startup tab, and then here you will see the same thing, about the same thing as what I have on Task Manager, but just because I'm on Windows 11, I cannot see this anymore because it has been moved to the Task Manager. So by disabling the startup apps, you are actually making Windows easier to boot because it loads less number of apps when startup. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.